Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. So today we got the metal detector here, and I would say we cut this open and check out what this is all about. Um, Let me get this really quick, and then we see what's happening. That should be enough, hopefully. Maybe not. Oh, okay, I missed that one here. Okay, but now it should be open. Yeah. So you have a little bag to store the detector, then you got a holding or held piece, also a little shovel and stuff, a bunch of goodies, and then, I don't know, you can use them and have some fun if that's something you're looking for. It's just some stuff that's in here. Not that I really care too much about them. And then there's the detector. Open this up. And this is what this looks like. Normally I would screw that to the other stick that we have to hold it. And then there's the display here. And this is the screw to secure everything. And then there's the battery. Interesting enough, there's only one battery that goes in here. All the other metal detectors we had on this channel used two of them. So yeah, okay, I did put them in there. I skipped that so it's not as long. And then you can actually turn it on. And this is what it looks like. It has this green lighting effect here. Shows where it finds metal. Like metal is found in front of us. And then you just move that over wherever you want. So yeah, this is doing quite a good job. It also makes some noise. Um, you don't hear it because I mute it because I find it really annoying while recording. But as you see here, it's searching now, and as soon as we move this underneath, it jumps over. Oh god, the camera is not getting the screen of the detector quite right, but it shows us that there's metal. I guess you to trust. There we go. And yeah, that's pretty much what you can expect. And I would say we'll see you in the next video, and Badger and out.